Hello everyone. Today's topic is how to create a folder on the desktop. Open the computer and right click on the desktop. Just go to new option and go to folder. It will create a new folder. If you want, you can rename it by typing the name of the folder and giving as a important as a name of the folder. Click anywhere, it is renamed. And double click on this folder. You can keep all your files here. Thank you for watching.